So the OnePlus Nord CE6 by default supports fast charging. So if for some reason fast charging is not working on your OnePlus Nord CE6, here are a few fixes that you may try to be able to get that working again. So the first thing you want to do is to check the cable and adapter compatibility. If you're not using a cable from OnePlus or a cable from a reliable source, then you might want to change or try and use another cable to see if that is the problem. Now, down below, I'll link adapters that you can use that are best suited for fast charging this phone, and even cables if you care to check on them. The next thing that you can do is to inspect the charging port. So if your charging port over time gathers dust and lint because of putting it in your pocket or in your handbag and all that, so you can use a sharp thing like a toothpick to clean through your charging port and remove any excess lint so that your charger can be able to insert and connect properly to your phone and thus charge it. So you may want to try that and see if it's that is causing your charger or fast charging not to work, and let me know how that works out. Now, the other obvious thing that you need to do is to ensure that fast charging is actually enabled by going into settings and then select battery. Then under battery, you want to select charging settings, and then you want to ensure that smart rapid charging is actually enabled. If it's disabled, you want to enable it just like that. So like I said, you can test with different cable and adapter to see if that is the problem. But if that is not the problem, and if all those things I've just said are that way and it's still not working, you can try and update your software on your phone, or better yet, if that still doesn't work, you can contact OnePlus support to see if they're going to help you out with that issue. That's basically how to fix the fast charging not working on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, leave a like and subscribe. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.